Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Katie, aka Fun Fitness Mama, the channel all about health and fitness and mom hacks. So today I want to talk about how to stay on track over the holiday season. Before you know it, the holidays are going to be here, so let's start getting on track now before the holidays hit. Let's have a better mindset before the holidays hit too. So I'm going to get started. I have 7 tips for you on how you can stay on track during this holiday season. So let's get started. Tip number 1, you need to plan ahead. So as the holidays are approaching, if you're figuring out where you're going for the holidays, what's going on, plan ahead. So before you head out the door to whatever fun activity you got going on for the holidays, plan ahead. When are you going to get your workout in? What food is it going to be at the party? So that way you can kind of think beforehand, maybe prep some food, bring some food along with you. Before heading out the door, make sure you are eating a healthy breakfast, have a healthy lunch, maybe pack some healthy snacks. Don't be afraid to ask what they are making for the meal. What is on the menu at this holiday party that you're going to? So don't be afraid to ask ahead of time and just make a plan of what you are eating there at the party. Have a healthier meal or snacks before you leave so you're not feeling so guilty when you get there. And that brings me into my tip number 2 is make sure you're drinking plenty of water. So again, before you head out the door, aim for half of your water goal before you leave out the door. So make sure you're drinking plenty of water before you leave, and then bring a water bottle with you if that was going to help you stay on track. Just make sure in the back of your head that you're drinking plenty of water. Drink a glass of water before you eat your meal, before you indulge a little bit in the dessert. Drink a glass of water before you have an alcoholic drink. So just make sure that you are hitting your water goals even around the holidays. Tip number 3. Get your workout in before you leave for the party. Before you head out for that holiday family party, get your workout in first thing in the morning. Get it done and over with so it's not in the back of your head like, oh, I still have to do it. I still have to get it done. Get it done first. Get that endorphins going. Get that metabolism working for you. Get that workout done first, and then you will feel way better getting into that holiday party. Tip number 4, don't be a grazer. Don't graze and just stand around the table just grazing food, mindlessly eating. Get a little plate, help yourself, and then step away. Take that little plate with you of whatever you want. So I would aim for actually your fruits and veggies and some protein first on the plate, and then you can kind of indulge a little bit. But make sure you grab your plate and then leave the table. Don't stand there and graze, because you're just going to end up mindlessly snacking and eating and feeling full and bloated and then feeling guilty and gross. So grab your little plate, walk away, sit somewhere else, focus on that plate, and then be done. Tip number 5 is don't completely deprive yourself. When you get there, yes, enjoy yourself. So maybe have a little cocktail, have that little cake or that little dessert that you've been wanting. So make sure you get all your healthy stuff in first, and then you can indulge a little bit. So I like to live by the 80-20 rule. So 80% is clean and nutritious, and then 20% is just a little indulgence. So make sure that you're getting in those other tips in first, so you are planning ahead, you're drinking all of your water, you're getting your workout done, you're kind of aiming for those healthier macros. So make sure you're filling up on the fruits and the veggies and the lean protein, and then later on, if you want that dessert, go ahead and have it. Don't completely deprive yourself. When you're gonna 100% deprive yourself and just hone in on the healthy stuff, you will end up derailing, and you're gonna feel frustrated and tired, and it's gonna play this big mental game with yourself. So make sure that you are still having fun during the holidays. It is okay to indulge a little bit, just don't overdo it. Tip number 6, offer to bring something. So if you are already asking what is on the menu and it's not really nutritious, offer to bring something. Offer to bring a healthier appetizer, a nice healthy side dish. That way you have something that you can kind of hone in on at the party. You have something to eat that is nutritious that you brought, but you won't feel so guilty kind of prepping because you offer to bring an appetizer or a side dish. This may also seem silly, but you can plan and prep ahead and bring your own food. But if that is just a little too timid and you're not sure about that, offer to bring a side dish. Offer to bring a healthy side dish, a healthy appetizer, a big side salad that you can kind of eat first, kind of fill up on that healthy whatever you bring, and then don't feel so bad indulging a little bit with the other side dishes and desserts. Okay, so as we head into the holiday season, you can kind of feel stressed and anxious about going into holidays because you know that there is going to be a lot of unhealthy foods out there that you kind of want to indulge in, especially if you have that sweet tooth. You're going to want to go for your mom's pie or your grandma's cookies. So having these tips will help you out. So make sure you are, one, planning ahead. You're going to ask the hostess, the family member that is hosting this holiday event. Ask them what is on the menu, what you got going on, and if you feel the need to bring your own food because there's not a whole lot of healthy options at the party, you can bring your own food, or ask if you can bring a side dish so everyone can share it. That way you won't feel so guilty bringing your own food because you are sharing it, and then again you have this healthy option. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water. So maybe drink either half of your water goal or all of your water before you leave for that family holiday party. Or just be mindful, bring your own water bottle there so you are kind of keeping track in the back of your head of how much water you're drinking there. So make sure you're drinking plenty of water before you leave. Make sure you're drinking a glass before you eat your appetizer, you eat a meal. And then make sure you're also drinking plenty of water in between those kind of cocktails that you want to indulge in. It is okay to indulge during the holiday season. Just make sure you're doing the 80-20 rule. So 80% is the healthy, clean, whole foods. 20% is your kind of your indulgence, your sweet tooth cravings. It's okay to have that little balance of, of healthy, clean foods and then the not so healthy stuff. All right, real quick, let's talk about cocktails. If you are wanting to have an alcoholic beverage, I recommend having a lower carb, lower calorie option, not something like beer. Beer tends to make you feel full, make you feel bloated. So if you still don't want to feel that way but want to have an alcoholic beverage, I would recommend doing a hard liquor. So I like to have is a vodka with a LaCroix, very low calories. I'm not feeling bloated and I'm still having fun and having that alcohol beverage. So aim for hard liquor. Okay, so just to recap on how to stay track during the holiday season is plan ahead. It is okay to ask what is on the menu. And then you can also offer to bring a healthy side dish, a healthy appetizer, maybe a healthy dessert, something that is on the healthier side so that when you get there you have a healthy option of what to eat, and then you don't feel so guilty because you're not really bringing your own food, you're bringing something to share with other people. Don't forget to get your workout done before you head out the door. Make sure, even if you are traveling, maybe you can bring your band, something to travel with. Bring your phone, bring your computer so you can follow something in the hotel room. Just make sure you're getting your workout done before you head out the door to your holiday party. Don't be a grazer. Don't stand around the table where all the food is. Don't stand and just graze and mindlessly eat. Grab a little plate, have your snacks, your appetizers on it, and then take the plate and go in a different room, sit somewhere else away from all the food. Don't deprive yourself. You can still have fun and enjoy the holiday food. So again, play that 80-20 rule, that nice balance of focusing on the healthier options first, fill up on the fruits, the veggies, and the proteins first, and then you can indulge a little bit on the candies, the desserts, the little unhealthy stuff. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope all these tips will help you survive the holiday season and don't completely derail yourself. So follow these tips and just have fun and enjoy your holiday season. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know every single time I come out with a new video. Have a great holiday season. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you guys later.